Hello, my name is Maria Guadalupe Becerra Mata, and today I am going to speak about cooking Mexican. The reason why I chose this topic is because I am Mexican and I would like to share with you a little bit of my culture. What we call Mexican food in the world maybe is not so Mexican. So I'm going to show you why here today. Mexican food varies from state to another state. It's very interesting what you can eat in the north from and to the south. But the base of uh, the traditional Mexican food, of course, um, is maize. Maize, which is a type of field corn, and with what we make the corn dog that we use to make fresh made tortillas. We use fresh, we use this item, tortillera, to make tortillas. You make two plastics and then pretend you have the dough. You're going to make a ball like when you make cookies. Put it in the middle of them and then you're going to push. Once it's flat, you are going to put it in a grill that is previously heated and flip it over a couple times until it's cooked. Peppers are also important. These are some of the peppers that I use for my regular cooking. The flavors of these peppers varies and also the level of heat. Some they're only for flavor. Some they are not even spicy. So don't ever think that because it's a Mexican pepper means it's hot. We also have many types of herbs like basil or mint. Up here we have very Latin American herbs. Everything we cook it with vegetable oil or lard. Even though lard is not too healthy, it is delicious. Besides the peppers and salt and pepper, of course, are essential elements in the kitchen of a Mexican are cilantro, green tomatoes. They taste totally different than a normal regular tomato, and you can find them in the supermarket here, but they're not that popular. Um, Cumin, garlic, onion, lime juice. We squeeze lime juice on everything, on our grilled steak, on our stew. For everything we use lime juice. Cactus. We love cactus. And not it's not really that cactus that you see in the scenes from those uh, from movies that when they're filming in Arizona. No, this is a Mexican type of cactus that grows in Mexico and is eatable. I don't have any right now, but it's I just thought that it was interesting to let you know that we eat a lot of cactus. We also cook on daily basis rice and beans. We use this item is called jarro. I cure it myself. I brought this from Mexico, and that's where I cook my beans. According to Mexicans, beans taste better if you cook them in the jarro. Beans we have two types, black and brown. I like brown. I like black myself, but a lot of people like brown. So it's only preference. Compliments at the table. When you set up your table at home, you always want to have tortillas. When you make a bunch of fresh made tortillas, Then you're gonna storage them here in a basket. You're gonna put like a tablecloth inside, and it's gonna keep them warm. Salsa. We're gonna make salsa in this item. It's called molcajete. It's really, really heavy. You can even exercise with it. Just kidding. You're going to throw the items that you want to make your salsa. You have to saute them or like boil them in water. So when they're soft, you're going to like mash them here. This is really traditional. I am from a small town, so I just cook this way. The A Mexican day in Mexico can start without a Mexican coffee. We like our coffee with cinnamon, so we call it café de olla. Olla means pot. The way we make our coffee, we add the coffee grains, a couple sticks of cinnamon, and the sugar. Once it's ready, and you serve it in this cup, which is very Mexican. If you want to add instead of cream, a Mexican person will use evaporated milk or regular milk. When I first came to Canada, uh, I had to adapt with the cream. I couldn't find evaporated milk everywhere. Mm, for brunch, we like eggs, just like you do here. We like over easy eggs and scrambled eggs, but the way we scramble our eggs, it's different. We chose an item, and that item has to be chopped finely and fried, saute a little bit, and when it's nice and golden, you will add the raw egg to the pan, mix it together until it cooks. And then you can serve it with side of beans. Main meal. For main meal, we usually we make a lot of stews. We, we just choose the type of meat that you like, and then you make a sauce with whatever ingredients you want, depends on the flavor you want, or you just add the ingredients directly, and there you have your stew. You can add vegetables, just like you guys do your stew, but the stews are always made with the different peppers and tomato and what I mentioned already, and we serve it in like cute little bowls like this. Um, for dinner, we'll do something like enchiladas with a fresh made tortilla with a sauce that you previously made. You fold the tortilla in half, and then you serve it on your plate, and you fill it up with whatever you want. And there you are. Voila, enchilada. Well, Mexicans have a lot of pride in our food, and we love cooking. But the most important ingredient when you cook, I'm going to tell you right now, is love. So if you want your food to taste delicious, always add that ingredient. Don't forget. I hope you enjoy my presentation and that you learn something new from it. Thank you for listening. Bye.